हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम एनालॉग एंड डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन के टॉपिक एएम और एफएम के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की बात कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में ये पूछा गया है, इन अ कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम नॉइज इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू अफेक्ट द सिग्नल। सो अगर हम कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम का बेसिक ब्लॉक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें तो उसमें 3 कंपोनेंट्स हैं। फर्स्ट इज ट्रांसमीटर, then last is receiver, or in between transmitter and receiver there is a channel. So the highest probability of getting affected the signal by noise is in the channel. Question number 2, which type of noise becomes great importance at high frequency? So जब भी frequency increase होगी, so the noise factor that will be coming in the picture will be of transit time noise. Next, question number 3, the value of resistor creating thermal noise is doubled, the noise power generated is therefore. So power of noise जो है वो आप evaluate कर सकते हैं by this relation Vn square upon R. Vn is the noise voltage which is given by root of 4kT R delta F which is bandwidth. अब अगर हम इस resistance को double कर रहे हैं so this will become 2R, और जब आप स्क्वायर करेंगे and also this resistance is double 2R, so overall the noise power generated is unchanged. In next question number 4, if the carrier is 100% modulated, AM wave is suppressed, the percentage power saving will be. So power relation जो है AM के केस में हम लिखते हैं PT which is a transmitted power by antenna is equals to PC 1 plus M square by 2. M is the modulation index of AM wave और यहाँ वैल्यू दे रखा है उसकी 100%. So value of M is equals to 1. In that case this PT will be 3 by 2 PC which is carrier power, और हमने करियर पावर को रोक दिया है। तो जब आप इवेल्युएट करेंगे परसेंटेज पावर सेविंग डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल ट्रांसमिटेड पावर इनटू 100, दैट रिजल्ट विल बी 66.66%. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स ऑफ एन एएम इज चेंज्ड फ्रॉम 0 to 1. सो अगेन फर्स्ट केस में जब मॉड्यूलेशन इंडेक्स m इक्वल्स टू 0 है, सो इन दैट केस ट्रांसमिटेड पावर इज पीसी, एंड फिर अपने पास फॉर्मूला जो है PT इक्वल्स टू PC 1 plus M square by 2. सो अगर आप इसको यूज करेंगे then the change will be, or there will be increase of power in 50%. Next question, a carrier is simultaneously modulated by two sine waves with modulation indices 0.3 and 0.4, the total modulation index. So total modulation index is written by under root of m1 square plus m2 square. So अगर हम इस फॉर्मूले को यूज करें और m1 और m2 हमारे respectively 3 and 0.3 and 0.4, so you will get the value of modulation index, that is overall m total is equals to 0.5. Next question number 7, the modulation index of FM. So FM का modulation index जो है it is given by the frequency deviation divided by the frequency of the modulating signal. So this will be expression. Next question number 8, an FM signal with modulation index m is passed through a frequency tripler. The wave in the output of the tripler will be having modulation index of. So जब भी ट्रिपलर से आपका FM वेव पास होगा, so जितना भी उसका कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट वैल्यू है, since it is a tripler, so the result is 3 times modulation index m. Next question number 9, an FM signal with the frequency deviation of delta is passed through a mixer and it has a frequency reduced 5 times. The deviation on the output of mixer is. सो एक बात आप यहाँ ध्यान रखिए, फर्स्ट जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन था वहाँ हमने ट्रिपलर से पास किया सिग्नल को, और यहाँ पे आपका मिक्सर से पास हो रहा है. सो इट विल नॉट अफेक्ट ऑन दी फ्रीक्वेंसी डेविएशन डेल्टा, सो इट विल रिमेन सेम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, अ प्री एम्फेसिस सर्किट प्रोवाइड्स द एक्स्ट्रा नॉइज इम्यूनिटी बाय. So a pre-emphasis circuit is actually amplifying the higher audio frequencies. It is actually working like a high-pass filter. Next, question number 11. What is the indirect way of generating FM? So using Armstrong modulator, you can generate the frequency modulated wave by an indirect approach. Next, question number 12. To prevent the overloading of the last IF intermediate frequency amplifier and receiver, one should use. So you should use the variable sensitivity to prevent the overloading effect. It is important question to remember. A super heterodyne receiver with the IF of 450 kHz is tuned to a signal at 1200 kHz, the image frequency. So image frequency of a signal with the super heterodyne receiver is obtained using this formula where FM is the modulating signal frequency and 2 IF. So IF given is 450. So this will be your 2 into 450 will be 900, and FM जो है वो हमको दे रखा है that is your 1200, so overall result will be 2100 kilohertz. Next, question number 14. One of the main function of RF amplifier in a super heterodyne receiver is to. So the main function of RF amplifier is to improve the rejection of the image frequency. Question number 15. A receiver has a poor IF selectivity. It will therefore also have poor. So if the selectivity is poor, its blocking capability of the receiver will also be very poor. A 3-point tracking is achieved with. So in a system, the 3-point tracking is achieved with the help of Pedder capacitor, which is actually working like a trimmer, or it is like a variable capacitor. This next, question number 17. A low ratio of the AC to DC load impedance of a diode detector. So diode detector is this one. So this will be your diode detector, and if the low ratio of AC to DC load, in that case जो होगा आपका, that will be negative peak clipping will occur. So जो भी negative part होगा, that उसका peak जो होगा, that will be clipped. When the modulation frequency is doubled, the modulation index is halved and modulating voltage remains constant, the modulation system. So this kind of, जब आपका modulation frequency double किया आपने और modulation index जो है वो half हो गया है, so we have seen the basic definition of modulation index for FM. So it is given by this relation, and obviously the modulation system will be FM. Next, question number 19. The efficiency of AM wave depends on. So efficiency of AM wave is given by the relation m square upon m square plus 2. So it is depending on the modulation index of AM wave. Last, 20th question is the bandwidth of FM wave is obtained by. So FM wave bandwidth is obtained by the rule, Carson's rule, which is twice of delta plus FM. Delta is the frequency deviation, FM is the modulating signal frequency.